Can you express to the audience what is, what is the mission of Triple Ring Technology? What is it you do, and how do you provide value to, I guess, the medical device and biotech community?
Sure. I can kind of describe where Triple Ring is now, and then maybe circle back to how we started the place, which is an interesting obstacle to overcome story. But now, what I describe Triple Ring is we're a co-development company. So we partner with scientists, engineers, entrepreneurs to develop new products, start new companies, launch new programs. But we do it in close cooperation. So core to our approach to the business is we always want to have some skin in the game with our clients. We want to be part of the success of our projects and also take part of the risk of our projects. So we have a co-development model, as we call it, where we like to invest in what we work on and work on what we invest in. The work we do is for science-driven companies. Right now, that is mainly life science companies and medtech companies, but we'll opportunistically tackle problems in other areas. And over time, we've done electric vehicle projects, satellite projects, aerospace work. But the heart and soul of the company are in the medtech and life science spaces.
So that's certainly a unique model as I've come across, because I've dealt with a lot of contract manufacturers, and typically they'll quote on a project, here's the price, here's the project milestones, and you're off to the races. Whereas you guys really do come in on that co-development deal. Can you give a little more detail of what that looks like? I imagine that you come in at some amount of money on a convertible note. Can you give some structure or context what the co-development piece looks like?
Sure. For a very early stage company that's recently founded, often an entrepreneur will find themselves needing a modest amount of work done to prove out the concept and get them to a point where they can raise a more substantial amount of money. We'll typically do an early stage project like that for half cash, half equity as a baseline model with some flexibility to go beyond that. And then we're typically helping not just with the technical challenges, but also trying to help with framing the business model and putting the pitch in place to help raise money down the road.
Yeah, which is the lifeblood of a company, right? Small startups.
Yeah, no, if you're the CEO of a startup, your job is to raise money first and foremost, and everything else comes second. So we recognize that it's the biggest challenge our clients face, and we try to help them.